Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Tanjung Benoa Water sport in Bali. Okay guys, if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will explore Tanjung Benoa, the water sport in Bali. And today we will review one company of water sport in Tanjung Benoa. This company we call Bayu Suta. Okay guys, actually I'm gonna say today I got a customer from Jakarta. They make tour holiday in Bali. So I take them to the water sport in Tanjung Benoa. The activity we took today is jet ski, Parasailing Adventure, sea walker, and flying fish. This activity is so fun. Okay guys, just make sure you're watching until the end of this video. Maybe one day if you come to Bali, you want to do water sport activity. This activity is 100% so fun. Just do it when you are in Bali. Okay guys, that was jet ski activity. Looks so fun, isn't it? Okay, now we continue to the second activity, and this activity we call Parasailing Adventure. This activity even fly very high, but is very safe because our equipment is good quality and instructor is very professional. So don't worry if you do this activity. Okay guys, now we reach the point to fly on Parasailing Adventure. Okay guys, now time to fly. For Parasailing Adventure, you can fly on the sky around 6 until 7 minutes. This is really so fun because from the top you can see Denpasar city and also south of Bali, and also from the top you can see Denpasar airport. You see, this activity looks so fun, isn't it? Okay guys, now we continue to the third activity. This activity we call flying fish or fly fish. For fly fish, there must be 2 people and 1 instructor to make balance when you will fly. Okay guys, they just been doing flying fish. Their face look so happy. Yeah, they have some fun activity today. Now we continue to the last activity, and we will do activity we call sea walker. Sea walker is mean you walk under the water and enjoy the fish and coral under the ocean. And you breathe like normally because you use helmet and the oxygen come to the helmet. It's the most easier when you want to see under the ocean activity. You see the helmet? There's big and very heavy actually. And inside the helmet there is oxygen, so you can breathe like normally. You see the water? It looks very clear, isn't it? They dip around 4 until 5 meters, but we still can see from the top. Okay guys, all activity today, they done. And now they just will take a bit rest and then they will doing relaxing by swim because this is last activity. Okay guys, so this is our activity today on water sport in Bayu Suta company. And if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, also hit the bell because I will always update the situation in Bali and tour destination in Bali. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.